In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with appimpact.com using Google and how to join the Liquid Web Hosting Affiliate Program. To kick things off, we'll begin by navigating to the Liquid Web Hosting website. Once you find yourself on their homepage, your first task will be to scroll down until you spot the link for the Hosting Affiliate Program. This program is an excellent way to generate income by promoting Liquid Web's services. Now, when you see the Hosting Affiliate Program link, go ahead and click on it. This will direct you to a page that provides more information about the benefits of becoming an affiliate. To proceed, look for the Become an Affiliate button, which you'll want to click. This simple action will redirect you to another page that introduces you to the sign-up process. On this new page, you'll notice the Sign Up button, which may be your ticket to starting your journey as an affiliate. Make sure to click this button to progress further. Clicking Sign Up will bring up a preview of the agreements you'll need to consider. It's always good practice to review these terms to understand what's expected from you and what you stand to gain. Next, direct your attention to the app.impact.com platform where you will find the contract terms specifically for Liquid Web and Nexus affiliates. It's essential to thoroughly read these terms so you know exactly what you're getting into. Once you're comfortable with the terms and feel ready to move forward, locate the Continue button and click on it. This step is crucial as it moves you closer to becoming an affiliate. Following this, you'll be prompted to sign in, and you have the convenient option to do so via Google. Simply click on the Google button if you prefer a quick and straightforward login without having to manually input usernames and passwords. Your Google credentials will streamline the process, making this part of the sign-up efficient and hassle-free. As you move on to the next stage, you'll likely see another highlighted section that requires your attention. It might sound repetitive, but do click on the highlighted area as instructed. This ensures you're aligned with all the necessary steps and prepares you for the subsequent processes. Finally, as you complete these actions, you will come to an Apply button. Clicking on this will submit your application and set you on the path to becoming an approved affiliate partner with Liquid Web. Upon approval, you'll have access to various tools and resources to help you succeed in promoting Liquid Web services and earning commissions. And there you have it. You've navigated the sign-up process with appimpact.com and Google to join the Liquid Web Hosting Affiliate Program. With these steps completed, you are now well on your way to starting your affiliate journey, equipped with the right knowledge and tools at your disposal. Thank you for following along with this guide, and happy affiliate marketing.